Well, today I want to be able to clean the ice tray bin. If you're like me, an OCD, which is an obsessive compulsive disorder kind of a person, it's time to clean the ice tray bin in your LG French 4-door refrigerator. I thought it really was an easy task. However, I found out otherwise because a smaller ice tray was wedged in the larger freezer tray. So if you're interested in how to remove the ice tray bin, please continue watching. I'm trying to take this bin out, the ice bin out. First I was going to take out the ice and try to wash the bin. But so initially, I tried taking out the added additional 2 bins, and I was trying to squirm it out. I was having difficulty. Okay, so I removed the ice, and now I'm going to show you how to remove the ice bin. You see how hard it is right now? It just won't lift out. So this is the way to do it. After a little bit of trial and error, I found out that if I remove the entire tray, then the bin is easy to come out. Okay, now I've cleaned it and washed it really clean, and I'm trying to put it back in. First of all, I'll try to get it all the way in. It has to sit. There it is, all done. Nice and clean.